Kara, what is the farm's name?
We are the Burke Ridge Farm. We have canyons on either side, so no fires. Keep our fingers crossed.
Yeah.
We have 2 exits, so don't worry. Yeah, let's go around and we'll show you what we've been doing the last almost 5 years.
You start.
All right, we can go to the garden.
How many bees go in there?
10,000 per hive, sometimes more. Well, we start with 10. We want to have bees for pollination of everything around us.
And do you hire help or do you do everything yourself?
Everything myself. My husband, my children, and my little kids, my little tiny ones, and myself. We pretty much do everything ourselves. And if we need help, yeah, we'll reach out. Like, we have a lot of good friends that will come up and help us with stuff. And we return the favor. We go help them.
Yeah.
You pick whatever you like.
I'm thinking maybe we should get a basket or start picking for our brunch.
Yeah.
You gonna let them out?
Yeah, they don't leave the property. Come on, guys.
They're so cute.
And this is molting season, so everybody's looking like rabid.
What does that
Yeah,
mean?
their feathers fall out and then come back. So
They're shedding.
So they're shedding, yeah, in a sense, and that's why there's like feathers everywhere on a farm. Just pick them up and take them. They won't be upset about it.
I was like, hurry up, y'all. It smells in here.
Just right on top and the bottom.
How often do they lay eggs?
Every day. Depending on the breed, you can get anywhere from 150 to 360 eggs a year from whatever type of breed that chicken is. She's actually broody right now, so come here.
What do you mean broody?
Broody means she wants to hatch babies.
Okay.
There you go. You've got another egg.
Mm-hmm.
Boom! On the roof. That's skill right. Miss Minnie, thank you for this wonderful, amazing meal.
Thank you for having me over. Cheers.
Absolutely.
I haven't seen you for
A long time.
How
Almost
long?
a decade.
almost a decade. That's crazy.